Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by documenting the problem precisely so the repair guy knows what to expect. Describe the fault, model, and serial number, and capture 3-5 clear photos plus a short video. Once done, check warranty status and set a firm availability window for appointments. This prevents scheduling back and forth. Make sure you have payment options ready and any relevant receipts or manuals. That initial clarity speeds diagnosis and avoids surprise fees when the technician arrives. You now gather candidates and screen them carefully. Contact an official service center, a reputable local shop, and an independent tech to compare responses and availability. Once they reply, request written quotes that list parts, labor, and estimated timelines, then compare guarantees and return policies. Make sure to verify license and insurance and scan reviews or ask for a local reference. After weighing price versus expertise, schedule the earliest reliable appointment. This reduces downtime. You supervise the visit by confirming the arrival window and greeting the technician with your documentation and the recorded video. Explain the problem concisely and point to the failure area. Once repaired, test the device thoroughly while the tech is there. Run typical tasks to verify fix. Ask for a written invoice that details parts, labor, and warranty period. If something goes wrong later, call within the warranty timeframe. Keep receipts and note the deadline for any follow-up claims or returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.